Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Figma for client handoff detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.figma.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to a new page asking for your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the first field. Then, input your password in the second field. If you prefer, you can choose to log in using Google or other providers. To use Google, click on the Login with Google option. Select your account from the list that appears, or enter your email and password if prompted. After entering your credentials, click the Continue button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the code sent to your device. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Figma dashboard. Here, you can view all your projects and files. Locate the project you want to share for client handoff. Click on the project to open it in Figma. In the upper right corner, click on the Share button. A sharing dialog will appear, allowing you to add client emails. Enter the email addresses of the clients you wish to share with. Choose the appropriate access level, either can view or can edit. After entering the emails and setting the permissions, click Send Invite. Remind them to log in or create an account if they don't have one. Once they log in, they will have access to the project as per the permissions you've set. For further collaboration, you can encourage clients to leave comments directly on the design. Lastly, confirm with your clients that they received the invite and can access the project without any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.